Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to share some unique skill that will help you to improve your English. You may have been learning English for a long time, still you get that English is difficult, but here I will tell you very simple method which you should follow it every day if you want to really improve your English. So you have to do it every day. Believe me, if you follow it, you can make it easy. You can speak English fluently like a native speaker. Because what do you think about me? Whatever I am speaking, how did you learn it? Maybe you were thinking that I have a took expensive class, but there is nothing like that as you are thinking. Because I don't have that much money, so that I will do that. Because whatever I know about this language, I learn everything from YouTube, you know, because let me tell you about myself. When I was 10th class, like, to talk about my age, so right now I am 28-year-old. But when I was 20-year-old, that time I didn't know about this language, because whenever I saw that someone is speaking English very well, I thought maybe he will ask me something. So I used to run away from there, you know. But now I can speak English, because now I like to speak anything in English. Because let me tell you about my work. I am an engineer and I have to attend every day 10 complaint. I am field engineer. I am not saying that I am good engineer, that you can't say, but you can't say that I am bad engineer. Even if I am bad, that I am happy whatever I have, what I do, I am very happy with that, because we don't have to criticizing about our work, you know. Because what work we do, and because of that work, our family, our child, our parents, they happy. So we can't criticizing about that work. It is my thought which I am telling. Sorry guys, please forgive me if I do something wrong. And I don't think that I spoke anything wrong. It is right which I am telling you. So let me say what here I want to say something, but right now I forget that what I wanted to say, because my mind is somewhere else right now, because I have some family problem. Because of that, I am unable to pay attention on this language. I am unable to work for this. Because of that, I am unable to speak properly. So here I will tell you that that is okay. If you have like this type of problem, don't worry. You should speak whatever you know. Whether you make mistake, but you don't be quiet. Speak as much as you can. As I am speaking here, if you talk about that where I came. So right now I came here in order to, because I have some complaint, but right now customer is not available. Customer is saying that I will take time 1 hour. So I thought they where I will waste my time. Let me speak something in front of camera. So I saw that in front of customer house there are very big garden. So I thought let me speak something, you know. So here I am speaking, and you can see that there are very big garden as well as very peaceful place for improve your English. Maybe you should also search such kind of place. There no one can call you. There no one can make you speak English, make you speak anything unnecessary thing. You know. So please guys forgive me. and I want to stop this video. I will meet you next blog. And end of this video, I would like to say that please, if you want to improve your English, so you should also practice like me. You don't have to think about your mistake that I will make some mistakes. Someone will watch my video, they would will laugh at me. You don't have to think like this. You should speak. I want you to just open your mouth. You don't have to think about people. You don't have to think that what who is speaking. Let them speak. It is not your problem. What is your problem? You have to focus on that problem. That how I can remove which problem I have. Believe me, you can become better speaker than you never ever think. Because most of the people they don't have courage. They don't have patience, but they want to get everything. So if you have some kind of big dream, so you must have to what call let me say put time effort as well as you have to be patient. You don't need to hurry just because moving other are. You don't need to hurry. I want to say that you don't need to hurry just because other are moving fast. It's your journey and you will have to live it your own pace. So bye guys, I will meet you next vlog. Please forgive me if I do something wrong. I hope you will surely do as I am telling you because we all want to get a better life. We all want to get something good in our life. So we must have to know about this language because you can't say language. It is a key to success. It will open your every kind of opportunity. It will give you thousand of opportunity to get succeed. You know. So guys, please forgive me, and I want to stop this video because today I was not willing to making video. Today I was not willing to practice. But as you know that I promised to myself that as long as I stay involved, I will try to become better person. It doesn't matter where I live, what I do, it doesn't matter. If you have some kind of dream, you must work for it. You don't have to say that I can't do it. It is difficult. It is not my cup of tea. Always remember in your life, sometimes something happens gradually. When you get path difficult, that means you want to get something good. Because without pain, without struggle, you can't get anything in your life. So if you have facing some kind of problem, you don't have to say that God, what I am facing. You don't have to say. You have to say, thank you, God, give me this opportunity because I have courage. I am strong. That's why you are giving me this opportunity because I can handle this problem. That's why you give me this opportunity. You have to say. You don't have to anger. You don't have to speak anything wrong. Because most of the people say that I want to do that, but I don't know why God do always with me because I have a lot of problem in my life. But what I am telling you, if you think about your problem, you will always feel upset because problem. What is problem? Problem is lifeline. You know, life is full of problem, but problem is not permanent. But life is limited. So face the problem with confidence and enjoy every moment of your life. You know, so you have to say every day with yourself. It is not that much difficult as you think. What problem today you have that doesn't mean if you work, if you search easy way, if you remove that mean that doesn't mean your problem will stay with you forever. There is nothing. One day your problem will say that let me left from here because he is more stronger than me. Your problem will say with themselves. No, so it is my thought which I am telling you. No. So bye guys.